Youngster of the Week. For your chance, visit the Green Facebook page to submit your photo.
Tonight on News Center Final, we'll talk about the new look in Juneau, and the EPA revises a report on the Bevel Mine.
Girls, what are you doing in there?
So, you're getting ready for Thanksgiving? You already know you're going to get this, right? Probably some fresh produce. And if there's no time to bake, when one stop at Fred Meyer, you can also get this and these. Watching some football?
You guys are just trouble.
And you can pick up some.
And you, my man.
I'm talking about the clothes, okay? So, you get all this, plus rewards, all in one stop. Only at Fred Meyer.
Sledding, bowling, woodworking. Every day is different. After retiring, I look for a job helping people. As a direct service worker, I work with people with traumatic brain injury and developmental disabilities. I help them reach goals and live as independently as possible. Whether you're a recent high school graduate or looking for a second career, there is a need for you. Training's available. Be challenged and enjoy meaningful work. Visit aabsc.org.
With pulled pork on a cheeseburger. It's barbecue.
What do you find over there? Oh, you're in my face. Thank you.
Charles Jr.
Yes. How you doing, guy? Big guy.
Pick up your free copy of KTVF's weather calendar now at Golden North Office.